Hello everyone, I am Hema Sati Sharma, TGT Science, and students, we are discussing the chapter called Soil for class 7. We have discussed soil, its definition, weathering of rocks, the factors which influence the formation of soil. We have discussed soil profile, we have discussed types of soil and soil properties. We have also discussed soil and crops. Today is the last lecture of this topic and we are going to discuss about soil erosion. So what is soil erosion? So basically soil erosion is the removal of the top layer of the soil. So when the top layer of soil gets removed, it is called soil erosion. The soil erosion mainly occurs when the soil is left loose without vegetation or when deforestation occurs. Basically what is happening, the roots of the plants or roots of the trees hold the soil or hold the particle of the soil closely. So when we are removing the vegetation, or if there is a soil without any vegetation, or we are cutting the forest on the large scale, what is happening? Now there are no roots to hold the soil. So the topmost soil is removed or is taken away with different atmospheric conditions like rainfall and strong winds. In such a situation, strong winds and flowing water or rainwater takes away the topsoil and therefore decreases its quality in terms of the nutrient quantity or the fertility of the soil. Also, this kills the organisms which are living inside the soil because they are exposed to the harsh environmental condition. The roots of plants and trees keep the soil together and allow several microorganisms to grow and survive there, as I have already mentioned. Therefore, it is always advised to plant more trees and avoid deforestation. So, we have heard it many times that we should plant more trees, we should not cut down trees because of the various environmental consequences. Now, what are the causes of soil erosion? First is deforestation. So we have already discussed that the roots of the soil, roots of the plants and trees, they hold the soil together and therefore they prevent the soil from get eroded. So if deforestation has occurred, that means there is large scale cutting of trees. What will happen? There will be no roots and there will be nothing which can hold the soil together, and whenever harsh weather climatic conditions are there, the soil will be removed. Overgrazing in forest, the animals which graze in forest, that means eating grass overly, what happens, the vegetation is removed and again there are no roots to hold the soil. Leaving the land uncultivated after plowing and tilling. So whenever a farmer leaves a land uncultivated or without growing a crop after digging it, what is happening? The soil is loose, and if there is rain or flood or strong wind, the top layer will be flown away by these water or the wind. Now, deep plowing and forest fire. In case of deep plowing, that is digging the soil deeply, what is happening? Soil is becoming loose and therefore with a little amount of wind also it can fly away. And forest fire, of course, is removing or is destroying all the forest, which can lead to soil erosion. So what can we do to prevent soil erosion? So first of all, we should plant more and more trees and grass, that is reforestation should be there. So what is reforestation? Reforestation is opposite of deforestation, that is large scale plantation of trees and plants in the place of dead trees and forest. What we can do? We can do step farming or terrace farming in case of hill and mountains. So we have seen that hills and mountains are so steep in structure. Whenever there is a rain or there is a flood, what is happening? The soil is cut and it is taken away by the wind or the water. So if we are doing the step farming or we are making steps or terraces in the hill and we are growing crops in them, so what is happening? It is holding the soil to the place. Now, constructing dams, check dams and river embankments. What does it mean? That whenever you must have seen dams, you must have seen stone embankments or stone boundaries or stone lining within the on the banks of the river. That is called embankments. What is it doing? It is preventing the soil erosion, because if when there is water flowing in the river with a much speed at a higher rate, what does it do? Water cuts away the soil on the banks. So if we make embankments or cement lining or stone lining on the banks of the river, the fast flow of water will not be able to cut away the soil from the banks. Of course, preventing overgrazing can also be done to prevent the soil erosion, because overgrazing in the forest is one of the major reasons of soil erosion. So I hope you have understood the topic well. Thank you so much.